Hello everyone! Welcome back to my house. So, dito kami ngayon, we are here at the beach. Yan, beach. Dito kami sa beach resorts. Okay? So, here, ito yung kanilang Ayan, we are here at the beach resorts of Dura Beach. Dura Beach at Gila KSE. So, mayroon silang small kitchen outside the villa. Villa yung tawag nila sa hotel, sa bahay na So we are here now. So mayroon silang, kapag may party, mayroon silang small kitchen outside the door. Okay? Sa So mayroon silang table if you want to coffee, shisha. So mayroon silang banyo after you swimming, you can take a bath here. Okay, and it is nice, right? You can take a bath here or wash if you are done with swimming from the sea. There's the sea or the beach. So dito naman so if you want to sit here and coffee, shisha, you can do it here. Okay, it is nice. May rope siya na it's look like a plastic. So there's our villa or home. So we will stay here at 2 nights as a family bonding or outing. So napakaano siya ngayon, look, the sea. So tomorrow maybe we will swim there. Okay, it's too nice, right? It's too what is yan. Hello everyone, yan, enjoy watching the beautiful beach resorts. So yan, mag tayo. This is a back camera now. Okay, so look at the beauty of these beach resorts. Okay, it's too nice. Too nice. So nice. So nice. Okay. Tomorrow we will take a video with the sunset.